Hi, I'm Zandra from the Embroider Shop, and this is a quick update on our 4th of July kit that we now offer on our website that you can purchase. And this is for the 4th of July napkin ring set that you can make napkin rings, as well as you will receive the napkins. I'm going to show you what exactly you're getting inside of the kit. So this is how the kit looks for the 4th of July, and we'll just now show you what's inside. But there's a bonus project coming with your kit. Now once you receive this in the post, immediately after you purchase your kit, you will see under orders where you can view your purchase, you will see that there's an instant download for the patterns. You will receive a pattern for the napkin rings, which is a double-sided. We will talk about that just now, the technique that's used on the satin butterflies. And then there's a full stitch butterfly design for the 3D string light pattern, and you can download both the patterns immediately after purchase. And once we send out this kit, we've got everything in stock. We'll send it out the same day you purchase. Once you receive it, you will already have your digital download from your account. Once you purchase, we will send you the tracking number for your kit, and it will be delivered to your doorstep. So let's have a look what's inside of the kit. So for this kit is for the napkin rings as well as the napkins you're going to receive. So we've got 3 red checkered napkins inside for you and 3 blue ones. We also got the 6 napkin rings that you are going to place your butterflies on. Inside of the kit you will have some red satin, blue satin. You are going to have a piece of our patch bond. This is a fantastic product, and you will see just in the instructions how we are using this. We've got for both of the projects, for the string light butterflies as well as for the satin butterflies, we've got a YouTube video that will show you step by step how to do this project. So let's have a look at our finished product. And this is, I've got a red and a blue butterfly. You can see it's double-sided satin, and basically this is a technique where you are using fabric, fusing them together to make a double-sided design. This is a raw edge butterfly. This is so easy to do that you can actually complete this whole project for the napkin rings within a 2-hour period, and you'll be done and ready for the 4th of July with a beautiful table setting. Now imagine this on white plates, red plates, blue plates, whatever plates you want to use for your table setting, and you can see just how beautiful this is going to look. So you're going to complete 12 butterflies for your napkin rings, and we supply you with everything you need: the satin, the heat and bond, and we are going to give you the water-soluble stabilizer for what you need. For this little kit is the extra bonus kit, is for the 4th of July butterfly string lights. Now you can look at these string lights, nice and colorful. You can see the flag pattern stitched on it. This is absolutely beautiful. Now you can use this on your table for a centerpiece. You can drape it around some flowers, or put it inside a vase or something. Really fun to use these. Or you can use it on a reef on the front porch, or wherever you want to use it. Now you can see some colorful lights over here. So you're going to receive the white organza and the water-soluble stabilizer you will need to make this, as well as your string light. This is battery operated LED lights. It comes with 10 lights in the pack, and if you would like to color the lights so they shine nice and blue or red or whatever color you want to use them in, you can simply take a Sharpie and you can color the lights, and they will shine through that color that you've painted on the front, and that's how you get them to be fun and colorful. You can also be creative. If you don't want to use this specific pattern and you want to make it match, you can make more butterflies of the satin ones. So you can actually decide. You can put this one on your napkin rings if you'd like that, or you can use this one on your string light pattern. So this is what you're going to receive inside of your kit. You get your 6 napkins, 6 napkin rings, your patch bond, You get your water-soluble stabilizer, the satin pieces that you need, everything inside the kit. The designs are digitally downloaded from your account, and you get the bonus project with the organza water-solving and your string lights. Let's make something spectacular this 4th of July. This is going to look so beautiful, and your guests are going to be so impressed that you made this. So head over to Embroidershoppe, and on the home page you will find the 4th of July kit. Purchase it now. Stock are limited. We ship out the same day. See you there.